AEB Amsterdam stands for a clean society. Together with our partners, we continuously make waste management more sustainable. We implement innovations to recover more raw materials and generate more sustainable energy. For instance, we use new production processes to get more energy from biomass, and we create new ways to separate and recycle raw materials from waste. Thanks to the innovative technology of our high-efficiency waste-fired power plants, it is possible to achieve the highest energy efficiency of 30% or even more. Internationally, there is also growing interest in our technology. We share our knowledge and expertise with partners in feasibility studies and co-creation, allowing our technology to become widely available. We're also capable of processing imported waste in a sustainable way. Our opportune location in the harbour and easy accessibility are beneficial for transport. Even if transportation is included, the environmental benefits are greater when combustible domestic waste originating from England is processed here. We have approximately 400 people working at AEB. Amongst others at the Department Collection and Recycling, at the Regional Sorting Centre and the 6 waste points spread over Amsterdam. Here we achieve a significant recovery of raw materials, including copper and other valuable metals. We also recover valuable metals from the bottom ash that remains after the incineration process. For the remaining minerals, we develop technologies to use it as freely usable material, for example under roads in the road construction sector. 99% of the 1.4 million tons of waste that we process every year are transformed into raw materials and energy. We use the heat that is released during the waste incineration process to generate electricity and to deliver heat to households and businesses through an expanding district heating network. By generating more renewable energy, we remain the largest supplier of renewable energy in the region. AEB is committed to recycle as many raw materials from waste as possible. In doing so, together with everyone around us, we ensure a clean society. Inhabitants and businesses can bring their bulk and hazardous waste to one of our 6 waste points in Amsterdam. There, we separate the waste by type in order to maximize the reuse of the materials. At the Regional Sorting Centre, we collect electrical devices. Our employees disassemble the devices and sort the materials in order to transfer them to the right end processor. Actually, as much as 80% of the materials from the devices is still reusable. In the Regional Sorting Centre, the people working there are distant from the labour market. With proper supervision and training, we strive to get them back into a regular working life. At AEB, we process all sorts of waste and we're specialists in the field of hazardous waste, such as batteries, solvents, paint, hospital waste and spray cans. Companies can bring their waste to us, but we also provide logistics such as transport and proper packaging for hazardous waste. Our logistic advantages are that we are the largest waste processing plant in a single location and that the hazardous waste depot is also located on our premises. There's no extra transport needed and our well-trained staff can instantly process the waste in an environmentally responsible manner. For AEB, the maximum recovery of raw materials is the most important step towards a clean society. Over the coming years, generating energy from waste will continue to be part of the solution. With our waste-to-energy plant and our waste-fire power plant, we gain as much energy and raw materials from waste as possible in a clean and responsible manner. Electricity, heat and precious metals for construction and different industries. The Dutch government has expressed the ambition to separate 75% of household waste by 2020. Most municipalities in the Netherlands either share this ambition or have set themselves a similar goal. Waste can be separated by citizens at home or in the materials recovery facility. A combination of source separation and post-separation gives the best results. With its materials recovery facility, AEB will help the municipalities to meet their sustainability objectives. The facility separates various residual waste flows: plastics, beverage cartons, metals, old paper and cardboard, as well as the wet organic fraction. The various materials are separated in the facility. These valuable raw materials are then reprocessed in a sustainable way by AEB or one of our final processors. For example, plastic is processed in such a way that it can be used to make new products, such as garden chairs, dashboards, vacuum cleaners and bags. And recycled beverage cartons can be turned into tissues. The Materials Recovery Facility allows AEB to make a major contribution to a clean society. Every day, 600 trucks with domestic and residual waste from households and corporations arrive at our weighbridge. This waste is mixed and stored in the bunker until it is processed. The created stock is intended for the night and the weekends to keep the plant running 24/7. This way we realize the highest possible energy output. By using steam, we convert energy to electricity and heat. We produce 1 million megawatt-hours of electricity per year, enough for 320,000 households and 650,000 gigajoules of heat, with which we already heat over 20,000 Amsterdam homes and 85 businesses in the region. In the joint venture Westpoort Warmte, we cooperate with Nuon to expand the district heating network, to include Amsterdam North, amongst others. We aim for 34,000 connections in 2020 and 230,000 in 2040. This contributes to the ambition of the metropolitan region to be energy neutral in 2040. From the bottom ash, which remains after the incineration process, we recover valuable metals, such as aluminium, copper and zinc, using innovative separation installations. We develop new ways to improve the quality of the remaining minerals, so that they can fully replace primary building materials such as sand and gravel in civil engineering. Our goal is to reuse 100% of the bottom ash in infrastructure projects. Together with strategic partners, AEB brings a sustainable and clean society closer. We are committed to strengthen the circular economy. We do this by increasing the sustainability of our business processes. We also increase and improve recycling in order to keep as many raw materials as possible within the production and consumption cycle. Eventually, we will become better and better at this, closing more and more loops. Compared to 2016, it is our ambition to recover 3 times the amount of raw materials from waste in 2018. In order to make the transition towards a circular economy, we not only need technical innovations, but also social change. We investigate which steps to take in this, with a wide range of partners such as researchers, businesses and governments. For example, with the Port of Amsterdam and Waternet, we work together on sustainable innovative projects in the field of raw materials, energy and water. For instance, we convert sewage sludge into electricity and heat. In the near future, together with Waternet, we will also extract biogas from it. Energy and raw materials from biomass is an important topic in our innovation agenda. Together with our diverse partners, we develop new techniques to optimize the collection and separation of waste. We also work on capturing pure CO2 to use it in our local horticulture. With our innovative projects, we take steps towards a circular economy. However, there are always more opportunities to explore that fit our strategy to recover even more raw materials and convert the remaining waste into energy in the most sustainable manner. We are open for new ideas and cooperation opportunities for a clean society now and in the future.